Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5A. Let's check the specification of this ROM. What is the name of this ROM? Here you can see this is the Android 11 based custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see kernel is the Triton Rova Plus. This is the Nitrogen OS. Here you can see Nitrogen Rova 11. This is the Android 11 based custom ROM. 5 December security patch available in this ROM. Let's check the features of this ROM. We will review about this ROM. Here you can see build number is also available. First I will tell you about the Volt. Volt is working perfectly, Geo is working perfectly, and the BSNL dual SIM is working perfectly, and the internet is also working perfectly in this ROM. Here you can see missed call from the customer care, whether it is BSNL or Geo. Let's check. It is from the Geo. Here you can see Volt is working perfectly. Net is also working perfectly, no problem in the net. You can easily use the internet connection without any problem. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Here is the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is also working perfectly, no problem in the Wi-Fi. Each and every features are tested, so don't worry. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, and hotspot is also working perfectly, no problem in the hotspot. You can easily share the hotspot of this device, internet of this device to other device without any problem on any reboot. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is also working perfectly. You can easily pair the new devices without any problem, or you can use the ShareMe to files to transfer the files or any other application that uses Bluetooth without any problem. Or you can easily connect the Bluetooth audio devices also, car BT. The battery performance of this ROM is good. Here you can see. Let's check the battery performance. Here the battery usage. Here you can see these are the full battery usage 3 days ago last charge. This is on the standby. Don't worry, used for 1 day. Let's check the display also. Display brightness level is working perfectly, no problem in the brightness level. You can easily adjust according to your use. Here is the night light. Night light is also working perfectly. Here you can see you can easily adjust it according to your use. Adaptive brightness is also working. Auto rotate screen is also working perfectly, no problem in the auto rotate screen. Here you can see it has been rotated. Here you can see it works perfectly. And the font size, you can easily increase or decrease the font size according to your use. It easily works. And the display size also working. Screensaver. Let's check the lock screen. Here is the always on display. Show lockdown option is also available. Let's check the always on display. But there is a few error in the always on display when you turn on for the first time only. Then there is no error. It blinks the display for first time only. After that, disabling it works perfectly, no problem. I have tested each and every, so don't worry. So I will say that there is no bug in the always on display. We will also check whether this ROM gets the face unlock or not. Here you can see dark theme is also available in this ROM. Here is the pure black theme. You can schedule it according to your use. It works perfectly. All the application and the status bar also works perfectly. Here is the status bar available. Here you can see all the applications, all the icons work perfectly. You can easily work from here. You can easily enable the application from the status bar without any problem. Let's check the sound performance of this ROM is very good. No problem in the sound, and in-call sound, speaker sound, everything is working perfectly, and the vibration is also working perfectly, and the navigation bar vibration is also working perfectly, or hardware navigation bar. Touch sound is also working perfectly. Touch vibration, here you can see it works perfectly. Screenshot sound is also available. Storage 8.93 storage available, but there are few applications. I will show you that there is a AnTuTu benchmark test, so approximate 9.4 GB 3 GB storage is free. Location is also working perfectly. Here is the privacy. You can show password instead of hide. You can hide the password also. Here you can see these are all are the features. Google Play Store is not included in this ROM, so you have to flash the Play Store separately. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. There is the installation of the video. There is only the installation, not the full video. Only the installation part is in the description. You can check the description. Just you have to replace the files instead of flashing that files. Download link will be in the description. You can check the description. Here is the personalization and the few customization of this ROM. Here you can see status bar items. Here are the status bar items. HD is working, Volt is working perfectly. Network traffic indicator, you can enable the network traffic indicator. Hide arrow, you can hide the arrow. Also by battery icon, circle, dotted text is also available, so you can use according to your use. Battery percentage outside or next to the icon is also available, or inside. Quick setting, here is the quick setting. Brightness show only. Here is the brightness level if you want to show when expanded. Here is it shows when you expand the status bar, or Here the volume brokers buttons. Here you can see volume broker, wake is available. It was perfectly answer key. All the features are working. I have tested each and every feature. Disable keys, hardware keys. You can disable the hardware keys also. Here you can see it will not work after disabling it. Here you can see. And the navigation bar is also available. Here you can see these are the navigation bar. You can invert it. It works perfectly, no problem. Here the gesture, swipe to fingerprint, finger screenshot is also available. Here you can see sound is also available. Screenshot sound is like charging sound. Double tap to sleep, the status bar is also working. Here you can see double tap to wake is also working. Double tap to sleep is also working from the lock screen. So don't worry, I have tested each and every features. If there is any bug in this ROM, I will tell you about the bug in the description or in the video. You can check. Here the lock screen charging info is also available. Let's check the charging. Here you can see charging light is also working perfectly. No problem in the charging light. Here you can see it works perfectly. USB debugging is enabled. Charging light working है. Here you can see charging light is working without any problem. Let's check the info. Charging info. Here you can see charging slowly because I have connected it via USB, or you can say in computer. Here is the notification light. Here you can see this is the notification light. Battery charging light, you can change the battery light. If vibrate on connect is also working perfectly, no problem. And miscellaneous, here is the miscellaneous settings. Radio info is also available. You can directly go from here. So these are the full features of this ROM. Personalization, there are only few features. All this ROM is the stock Android. No, not stock Android, is like stock Android, like only stock Android. Here is the system. Here you can see this is the Nitrogen OS. Here the gestures also available. If you want to use the gesture, you can use the gestures also. First you have to enable that from here. Here you can see, but only recent application gesture is working, only not black buttons. If you want to enable, you can enable from the personalization where I have shown you how to enable the navigation bar. Let's set the security face unlock. How fast is the face unlock? I have already added the face unlock, so let's check the face unlock. Skip lock screen, you can skip the lock screen also. Now let's check the face unlock. I have added the face unlock. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. Here you can see speed of the face unlock is very fast, no problem in the face unlock, and the speed is better than average. Let's check the Antutu benchmark. How is the performance of this ROM? Let's check the performance of this ROM. Here you can see this is the Antutu score available in this ROM. Let's check the detailed information. Here is the GPU performance. Here is the CPU performance. GPU performance 1663. Memory performance 24,645 UX. Here you can see here is increase in the temperature, 30.9 degrees highest temperature, and 4% drop in the battery. Let's check whether our Play Store is certified or not. Here you can see device is not certified, so there will be some problem in using the banking application, or our safety net is not passed. I have tested, so it is not working right now as the internet connection is very poor. Here you can see. Let's set the device information also. Device info, I have tested, don't worry, safety net is not passed, only one is failed. For 25 sensors available in this ROM. Here you can see. Let's check the system. Here is the Android 11 root access available. Here you can see this device is rooted, pre-rooted. Only images is not supported. Root access is available. No apps detected. Root management apps unable to determine. It is not able to determine. Seamless update not supported. Nitrogen ROVA. Here you can see. And the Geo application. Let's check the Geo application is working or not. Here you can see rooted device is detected. Geo application is not working in our device in this Nitrogen OS Android 11, so you cannot use the banking application. There will be error in using the banking application, and YouTube is working perfectly, no problem in the YouTube. So if you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.